Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be unboxing. Yay! Oops. Anyway, I'm gonna be unboxing blind bag. Yay! Okay. Anyway, we have blind bag. So yeah. So we have a mystery sign. It's actually purple for some reason. You guys cannot see. I don't know. It looks white, right? Anyway, if you guys can see it, then yes, good. Anyway, we have common, rare, legendary, and secret. Ooh, let's hope we get secret. So I'm actually so excited. My friend said that it's actually it's like I might love this. So don't mind the background sound, okay? Anyway, let's open it. This one's easier. Let's hope we'll get secret. I don't get common. Ooh, so. Oh my god. We have capybara. Capybara. Ooh. No way, guys. We got capybara pet. So let's see, guys. What is this? Bro, what did I get? Oh, yay. It's a yogurt. But the thing is, I want to open this. Hold on, guys. So, what do we have? This is how I can. I actually do not. Yay! Ooh la la! We got a mushroom highlighter. That's so. Okay, so now we have a. Ooh. So it's a yogurt. So what do we get? I hope we got secret. Rare. I hope to get legendary or secrets. The one I really like this is this one. So this was what we got from the blind bag. I also kind of like it because it's cute. It's super adorable. So I got 4 items. So cute. Anyway, I'm not making this up. It's actually true. So I am actually so happy. I got. Oh no. So this is my pose. Oh, I remember this. It's just sparkly though. It's like capybara, but it's like a brush and at the same time eerie. So yeah, we have the capybara pen, so adorable. So yeah, that's all we got for today. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to obviously enjoy yourself and have fun of like for your days and like hope you guys have fun and yeah, bye.